What's going on, guys? Let's talk a little bit about Apple. This stock has been an absolute just monster. Even when we had selling pressure in the market, Apple just continued to either close flat or push higher. So today Apple closed at 171.18, and then just literally 5, 10, 15 minutes before the close, volume picked up and this thing absolutely exploded. Algos picked it up into the after hours, ran it all the way up to 173.88. So if we just take a look at the hourly time frame chart here, we know that the Nasdaq 100, the triple Qs, and a lot of tech stocks gapped up today. So we did gap up into this 168.28 range. And then we just kind of never looked back. So if we look at the market open here on this big green candle, 169, let's just call it 169 even, all the way up to highs of 170.81. Kind of just rode this 5-day moving average on the 1 hour time frame. Only tested one time here on the rising support on the 10. You can see here, pulled back just almost to a T, just pulled back here, had another breakout, and then we got over this channel and then put in these highs of 173.88, kind of just consolidating here after hours. So what are we looking for going into tomorrow? Let's say we have a day 3 continuation rally here. What we're looking for is a confirmation of after hours highs of 173.88, or we need to see what we do in the pre-market. Okay, if there is some selling pressure, there's some crazy news, something crazy happens tomorrow, what we're looking at here is 168.28 to the downside. Even with that being said, we are going to have a little bit of support right around this 128 level. That's kind of where we found some resistance in the past. So it's realistically going to be this 168 level. From 168, it does have room down to 166.81 and then 165.53. Those are the levels that I'm going to be looking to play tomorrow on Apple. I don't think we're going to get any selling pressure tomorrow. So for all you guys that are holding puts and all you bears, I don't think that that's coming tomorrow. Any dip, I think, into rising support needs to be bought, especially if it comes into the 10 SMA on the 1 hour time frame. Right now, that's hovering at about 171.23. So if we get a little bit of pullback here, we open flat tomorrow and we get this pullback into 171. Good area to kind of bounce this stock going high through this 173 and potentially 174, 175. Guys, I hope that helps. Do me a favor, join the Discord. That link is down in the description box below. Also, give me a thumbs up, like this video, comment, share, do whatever you got to do. Fantastic day in the market. Fantastic day. Triple Q's up 500 points. Absolutely insane. So when everyone was, screaming and crying and saying that the market was going to zero, not only do the Qs put in a green day, but the Qs, okay, the Qs just absolutely destroyed the day today. I mean, if we look at the daily time frame here, not only do we get this massive gap up, maybe we come back down at some point and fill that, but not only did we get a massive gap up, we just gapped over 1, 2, 3 days worth of price action. And the critical level that we're looking for tomorrow on the Qs is 401.35. That's going to kind of break out of this channel. We come up here, test this 401.35, and we crack above it. Potentially have room to this 405. I think we see 408, test all-time highs before the year's end. If we do come up here to the 401, 402 area and get a strong rejection, and I mean strong, I mean the futures need to be pulling in, stocks need to be pulling in. If we get some sort of pull in where everything just starts to aggressively turn to the red side, look for this 401.35 to get rejected, and then we can play back down to the downside. 394 is going to be our initial level of support, as well as 392. I hope that helps, guys, and I will see you guys all in the next video.